Display size. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 1080 into 2340 pixels, with 390 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 1440 into 3120 pixels, with 513 ppi density. Display type. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Super AMOLED. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. Display protector. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Exynos 1480. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Exynos 2400 International. Processor. Samsung Galaxy A55 is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is octa-core processor. GPU. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Xclipse 530. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Xclipse 940. RAM. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12GB. ROM. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 128GB and 256GB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 256GB and 512GB. Front camera. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 50MP wide, 10MP telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A55 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 4900 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Spec winner.